What's up, fellas? Got another trade recap today. I'm going to be showing y'all how I made $9,464 on my Top Step XFAs. This is funded money, so until I take a payout, it is not mine, but we are able to take a payout once we get those winning days. So we're aiming for like a 5 to 10K month would be absolutely awesome this month. Would be my first pretty big month and proving I can do it consistently. But here's the trade recap. So these two accounts were in Top Step. This one was at like negative $63 somehow, some way. The other one was at like $2. Both of the balances, once they got below zero, they were going to be blown because I've taken a payout on both of them. So I was like, all right, I'm just going to flipboard them on CPI, see if we can make some extra money, maybe revive the accounts. And we did exactly that. Here's the trade we took. We can see we actually entered. Here's the chart executions. Go on this one as well. Chart executions, $3,324 on this account and $3,362 on this account just from CPI. So both of these accounts are revived now. We will be trying to request a payout on them soon. I'm not going to be trading them like fully. I'm going to be risking $500 and then putting my stop loss to break even when we hit the internal low or whatever it is. But I'm really going to be putting my stop loss at a winning day so we can rack up those winning days to request like a 2K payout from each of these, which would be very awesome. Would love to see that happen. Now let's go over the actual trade we took. Took them on 3 accounts. Took it on MMQ. You can see coming into the day, not crazy bearish, not crazy bullish. What do I notice though is we have this unfilled 4-hour gap right here, and odds are if we are going to push price lower, we're going to fill this gap, at least tap it in some sort of way in order to push price lower. So coming into the day, that was pretty much my only draw on liquidity. We also have, if we look on like the 5-minute, a lot of LRL right here. Got this high, this high, this high, this high, this high. And I always take it to the final draw. It just gives me better R. So coming into the day, I was looking for maybe a retrace into this. We had this big ass 5-minute gap right here. Maybe a resweep of these pre-market lows. We got that. And this is something I want to keep y'all in. Like what I do when I take a trade is I will not take the first flip, right? This is the first flip of the day. Swept those lows, instant rejection off the lows. This is something I want to see, but this is not the flip I want to see, right? I want to see us flip. We got that flip, and now we're getting a retrace. And if this holds right here, I want to see one of these gaps hold, then we should continue to go higher, which we did. And once we got that second confirmation candle after the flip, which is our second flip, we took our entry and had a brutal hold all the way till this 4-hour gap. Got edged break even. Normally I would have been at a winning day, trailed it to a winning day if I had a good balance, but this was the first trade on the account, so just kept it at break even right here, and we actually got edged, and then it ran to TP. So we made $925 on these 3 accounts, and we made $3,300 on the other 2, combined total of $9,454, which is a beautiful day in the market. I love it. We've got 5 accounts. I'm feeling great for June. Love some summer trading. Gonna be banking this summer. I'm hype. But feel free to join the free Discord I got in my bio. Always helping people out in there. Always gonna, post my trades in there. Hopefully I can like educate some of you guys in there. I mainly want to focus on a lot of beginning traders because I don't want people to start off on the wrong foot and everything like that. So if you're a beginner trader, want some help, feel free to join my Discord, shoot me a DM. It's free, completely free. I'm just looking to help out some other traders start their journey because this shit was ass when I first started. But I can hopefully point some of you guys in the right direction. So appreciate y'all watching the video. I made $9,464 in a day trading, and that's about it. Peace out.